Hey there, rail fans and model railroaders. Welcome to another episode of Getting Back on Track with Steve. Now, this isn't much of an episode because it's really just some announcements from us. So I've been away for a couple of weeks taking care of business and helping some family members. And now that they're on the mend and in a better space, it's going to allow me some time to start working on this layout again. And previously, we had been working on the build series, and we're closing that out because everything's built up. But now, the exciting part is we can lay out and start laying some track and hopefully get to where we can run some trains again. So I really appreciate the kind words and the support that you gave to Roxanne. And she was busy putting some content out for you guys to enjoy. Now, right now, she's cooking up some extra special content for you guys, and she's going to be putting that out here in the next couple of days. But I just wanted to let you know that we're all back on track, and we're going to get back after this layout. So make sure to hit like, subscribe, leave us a comment, and hit that bell so that you'll get notified when we do release some video content. And as always, thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you soon.